Madam. My name is Eileen Rapilis. I'm age 37 years old. I live in Caloosaol, Mangas, Iloilo. I'm high school graduate. I experience local. I help her.
Yes, continue.
I serve member of family.
Did you work as a housemaid before?
For 1994,
Locally.
locally.
So what are your duties inside the house?
Only cleaning and working and ironing.
All around household chores. So did you ever take your children there?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is the child?
7 years old and 5 years old.
So, so aside from caring the children, you also did all the household chores since you're the only maid. But what can you do best as a maid? Or what do you like to do best? To do housework, cleaning, or to take your children?
Also take your children and household.
So both.
Yeah.
Okay. And how old is the child you prefer to take her?
5 years old.
How about less, younger than 5 years old?
Yes, ma'am.
You're also willing. Okay. So you mentioned that you also did cooking for your employer.
Yeah.
So what are the dishes you can
I
prepare?
can also sapsoy, adobo, and sinigang.
Filipino dishes. So it would be easy for you to learn other,
I'm willing to learn Chinese.
yes, especially Chinese the cooking, no? International cooking. Okay. So at present, are you working? Do you have a work now?
No.
You have no work? You're ready anytime your Hong Kong employer needs you?
Yeah.
Okay, what is your highest educational attainment?
High school only.
You're only high school graduate and you are still single?
I have children.
How many kids do you have?
Only one.
How old now?
2 years old.
How about your husband? So you are separated already. So if you can go abroad, who will take care of your child?
My sister and my mother.
Okay, so as a mother, no, you can manage to take care children, even small children, as what you've said. Okay, so what can you promise to the employer if they will hire you?
I can promise I do my work best.
Of course.
Cleaning the house
What else?
and ironing clothes all around.
So you will do your best, no, as a house worker. What else? Promise to finish the contract
I promise to finish the contract.
and must be
first.
obedient, huh?
Yeah, I'm obedient.
Good.
I'm honest also.
Okay, so be ready, okay?
Very good.
Good luck.